24-volt transformer. But what we're going to be looking at is sizing these fuses for that compressor. So right over here we have off PB1 from our line, from our disconnect, PB1, it goes to FB01, FB1, that's these fuses, and off these fuses it's going to hit this VFD. That's this guy right here, variable frequency drive. It's going to tell the motor how fast to go. And then it's going to go straight to the compressor. This is just some sort of relay or something to tell it when to kick on. Some sort of controller.